So back to Modeler, and let's add in some eyes. These of course are going to be part of the head. Now if I select the head connector here, open the presets and add, well, I'm just temporarily going to add any old target item from the list of target pieces there. You'll see that I can't position that because it takes the the part of the ear there along with it. So let's forget that and get rid of it. And instead, let's just add the double target setup control here. And let's choose the one that has the parent option to it. So I can take that there, bring it up here, roughly into position, facing the wrong way. So we'll just rotate it twice like this. Let's get it back here. Make sure, of course, we don't push it off to the side. We want to keep it central there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little vertex at the end of the red, arrow item there. This is, of course, what allows us to do the parenting. And I'm going to select the vertex here, of course, at the base of our head, and I'll weld that to there. So, of course, that will set up my parent relationship. And then with symmetry activated, because, of course, I've got the two eyes here, it's come as a two-piece unit. I'm going to grab the vertices and start positioning these into the eyes. Now actually that's going to be a little tricky because of the mesh, so I'm just going to select my main mesh parts here and hide them, so all I've got left are the eyeballs. Then I can come back here and see much more easily where exactly it is that I want to be placing these vertices. So it's going to be around here. Of course, ideally these eyeballs should be perfectly spherical, which we can, I think, quite plainly see that they're not, but that's not too big a deal. They are pretty close to such, and owing to this we should get a decent enough result out. So we get that pivot point there in the, what we hope is the center of the eyeball. It's about there. And we notice, of course, his eyeballs are pointing outwards, so I'm going to grab that and move these like that to point along the actual direction of the eye. Okay, smashing. Once again, cut that, paste it into layer 1, save it, back to layout, update rig, and look, our eyeballs are now present and correct, and we can see that they are indeed targeted to the end points there, which of course have this central master controller, and that is dandy. So basically, apart from a couple of little parenting issues along the way, owing to these connectors, we are done. All we really need to do at this point is set up the opposite side of his body. So back into Model.